back to my channel Rati Unrivals. Today I have a cookware set to review for you guys, and I have been using this cookware set for last 2 years. Yes, for last 2 years, so I thought now it's a good time to review it for you guys. And here is the cookware set that I am talking about. This is from the brand Wellberg. In this 6-piece cookware set, I got 3 stainless steel casseroles with 3 glass lids. Wellberg is marketed by Burner brand only. The actual MRP of this cookware set is 2,500, but I got it for 1,500. Now the same cookware set is not available online, but yes, a similar one is available, which is linked in description box. Here you can see the 3 casseroles. This is the smallest one and it is for 1.5 liters. This is the medium one with capacity of 2 liters, and this is the biggest of all 3, which has a capacity of 2.5 liters. They come with a classic stainless steel handle for a perfect grip. They are very easy to clean. I do have washed them in dishwasher and they have come out really clean. They have a proper stainless steel induction base, so you can use them on induction, gas, vitro ceramic, electric, and as well as on halogen. They are absolutely dishwasher safe. Even the glass lids are dishwasher safe. The dimensions for the smallest one, the casserole with lid, is 16 into 8.5 centimeters. The medium one with 2 liters of capacity has dimension of 18 into 8.5 centimeters, and the biggest one, that is of 2.5 liters, has a dimension of 20 into 9.5 centimeters. So Wellberg is a Burner brand and this is a German brand, if you don't know. So this has German quality control. Since I have been using it for 2 years and I have used it for each and every kind of cooking. We are vegetarians. I have boiled milk in this, I have made kheer in this, I have made vegetables in this, pulao. I mean, whatever you could ask for. Even I have done frying in these casseroles. So yes, these are made of high quality stainless steel. The induction bottom gives energy saving as well, and it works really great on induction, though you have to keep the induction temperature at the lowest. During the long hours cooking, the stainless steel handles might get hot. The glass lids have a vent here, so the steam comes out of these, and these glass lids are of high quality. They are heavy and they fit really well into the casserole. The weight of the casserole is really heavy. The one in my hand is of 2 liters and this has a good capacity. The glass lids allows you to see what's cooking inside and how much cooking is done. So naturally it is easy to see through glass. If it had a stainless steel cover, then you have to remove the lid, see how much cooking has been done. Even the steam vent has been designed properly. I found the Burner 6-piece casserole set, stainless steel casserole set, has been designed beautifully. The finish is really good. Over the period of 2 years, I have not found any sort of rusting in these, though I have washed them in dishwasher as well. There is no blackness of any sort, any kind on these casseroles. Even there has been no burn marks on these casseroles. The plus point of these stainless steel casseroles is that you can cook and as well as serve in them as well. You do not need to use much of the dishes. You can do cooking in them, and when you need to serve, you can take the same casserole on the dining table for the serving purpose. So yes, it does reduce the extra chore of cleaning one extra utensil. So as I told you, I have made paneer, rice, pulao, I have boiled milk in these, made kheer, even I have done frying in these, and they have passed each and every test. I use the smallest one the most. This is 1.5 liter and this is the most used casserole in my home. Even once I have made chai in this also. In my opinion, these 3 casseroles can serve a medium-sized family of 4 really nicely, and if you are a family of 2, I would suggest you to go for the smallest one, that is 1.5 liters of capacity.
Also, they take less space in storage cabinet as you can stack them on one another.
So So yes, this was my review on Wellberg 6-piece stainless steel casserole set, which is by burner only. The link of the product is down in description box. Don't forget to check it out. Now you can stalk me on TikTok and Instagram as well. The link of these again are in description box below. I will catch you in my new video. Until then, bye bye.